Hi everybody, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a pasta salad, but I'm going to use a couple of interesting ingredients. The first one is a brand new product from Follow Your Heart. This is their coleslaw dressing. It is delicious. Now, it's great for coleslaw, but I wanted to do something different. So I'm going to use this in my pasta salad. And I want to thank Follow Your Heart for sending me this product so I could introduce it to you today. So let's get started. For our pasta today, I'm going to be using Trader Joe's red lentil pasta, and I just love this pasta. And one of the great things about it is it's got 13 grams of protein per serving, which is wonderful. So I've got some water over here boiling, and I'm probably going to use about half this bag. You want to give it a stir so they don't stick together. And we're going to let this come back up to a boil. And then we're going to cook this for about 6 minutes or so, depending on how al dente you would like it. Some of the other things I'm going to be adding to this pasta salad is some English peas. And this is what an English pea looks like. I don't know if you've ever had one, but they are wonderful. And this came from one of our local farms, Tally Farms, and they do vegetable boxes that you can get a subscription. And so this came in the box this time, and I thought it'd be fun to add these to the pasta salad. And I'm just going to add them into like the last minute of cooking, but it's just like any other, pea. You're just going to pull the top off and the little string goes down the back. These are a little tougher, and then you just open them up. I don't know if you can see, and that's what they look like, and they're really sweet and delicious. So we're going to put these in this bowl with the rest of them. So I'm going to set my timer for about 6 minutes, and when that's done, we'll continue. Okay, so we got about a minute to go on the pasta, so I'm going to throw the peas in and just let those cook for about a minute. Now we're going to drain them. Okay, let's drain it. We're going to hit this with a little cold water so it stops cooking. And if you don't have English peas, you could absolutely use frozen peas, or if you don't like peas, don't put peas in. I'm going to try to get them as much moisture out as you can. So you're going to add these to a bowl, and then we're going to start adding in some ingredients. So I'm going to add in a little celery and red onion. I'm going to add in some cherry tomatoes, which I've quartered. And I'm just going to stir these around a little bit. This looks so pretty. And let's add our yummy vegan coleslaw dressing. And we'll just play it by ear here. Start with a couple heaping spoonfuls here and see how we like it. And this is definitely to taste. I think that will be plenty. All right, let's put this on a platter. That looks yummy and delicious, so we gotta try it. This looks so pretty. The pasta comes out kind of like a pink color, the red from the tomatoes, we've got the green from the English peas, the red onion and the celery. I hit it with a little pepper, so let's give this a try. And lentil pasta is a little bit more al dente than a regular pasta, but it's delicious. Oh my gosh. You've got a little crunch from the red onion and the celery. Perfect. Again, I want to thank Follow Your Heart for sending me their new vegan coleslaw dressing. It's absolutely delicious, so look for it. It's coming soon. And definitely when you get it, try this recipe. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.